Hi, I'm Alexander from Renee of Paris, and today I'd like to talk to you about this style. This style is called Charlotte, and she is in the Alexander Couture Collection. She's a short, choppy, beautiful feminine haircut. Also, she's made in heat-friendly fibres, so should you want to change the texture slightly, you can. And she feels amazing. You can see that haircut. Now this, in many ways, to any haircutters out there, this shape would be called a beveled haircut, which means it has that shape cut into it to follow the curved shape of a head. Then it actually coming in, we have this lovely extended nape, and this beautiful, if I may turn around, look at those lovely soft feathered ends, which keeps it looking very, very feminine. I absolutely love short hair, love short head styles, and I think Charlotte definitely is going to be one to watch. Charlotte is a heat-friendly style with a machine-made cap. Charlotte also has a mono crown and adjustable straps in at the nape.